Okay, we're driving south of Moab, and we're coming up to Hole in the Rock. The main Hole in the Rock place, if you will, actually has a house that's built into the rocks. They have a gift shop, and then you pay, and you can tour the home area, which is built right into this rock here on the left center. So anyway, we're going to cut in there. There's a bunch of shops and stuff, and there might be some things to see on the outside that'd be worth stopping for if I didn't miss it.
No, but don't run over this truck.
All right. See you up there. And we'll drive in. Definitely kind of a main touristy area.
Yes. It's a cactus made of bowling balls.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to try to park here. I'm trying to keep it out of the sun.
I don't think I ever noticed the Franklin D. Roosevelt carved into the rock there.
So yeah, you can see the house, or maybe houses, in the rock there. All right, we'll get out and take a look at some of the stuff here. All right, so this is the hole in the rock. Now there's more than one. There was actually back in Hanksville. Oops, the wind's coming up. Actually, back in Hanksville, there was a gas station with the hole in the rock. I don't know if I showed that or not. Whew, I'm gonna have to fix my hat here. Hold on. All right, I had to tighten the hat up. So yeah, here you can see these houses were built into the rock here, and I've been inside, and it's pretty cool. I mean, can't remember how much it is, and it was so long ago. I'm sure it's different. This is kind of interesting too. Here, Franklin D. Roosevelt. Pretty nice sculpture, created by Albert Christensen. So, let's see here, there's another entrance. I guess that pipe is their vent for the drains. Now, I can't remember if this is all one house. It's been a long time since I walked through, but I see lights on in there, and I'm guessing that it's all the same. So, little kitty things here. Like I said, there's a lot of gift shops and stuff. I just remember some kind of cool things back here. Got an old jail cell. That's pretty funny. I don't know if you can read it. Mine boss upstairs, miners downstairs. It's pretty funny. Very funny. A little Japanese influence here. Looks like they have their version of the car's tow truck. Lost a few teeth maybe there. The Prospector Lodge. That's a cool sign. As much as we can get of it here. So it says, I'll let you read it. How's that? I'm going to guess that probably I had seen the Prospector Motel. I stayed at very few motels inside of Moab, as I remember. I know I stayed there, but I can't even remember where other than one time. But there were a lot of cool old motels in Moab that are all gone. One I think John Wayne was supposed to have stayed in. So let's take a look at some more stuff here. Here at the end, I guess this is the resting place for Gladys and Albert Christensen. She outlived him by a mite. He went at 60 and she went at, what is that, 68? Not that much, I guess. It's gorgeous here. I like the sign over there. You see it in the middle, public telephone. Yeah, they keep advertising that they have a Bigfoot here. And here's the Bigfoot. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, so it's got a little area to walk around. It's kind of nice, actually. Kind of random stuff here. Got this, all these electrical things, and then the chair with the hat wired up. It's pretty funny. Pretty funny. Looks like somebody's had fun out here. See a cool sign around the other way too. I don't know how you access that. Might be in someone's backyard. Huh. Yeah, little coal car or ore car. Just any kind of ore. That's pretty cool. I love these old signs. I don't know if something's missing or if this is some kind of an old gas pump that I'm not familiar with. The little ball there reminds me of the old ones where the gas would kind of rotate around through the ball. It was usually right above the price and the number of gallons you were getting. So, I don't know. This dial is totally... Boy, if it is a gas pump, that is one I am not familiar with. 1938 Diamond T. Wow. Okay. Not familiar with the Diamond Car Company either. Wow. It's kind of interesting. A plow. Maybe it was their early day road grader. And yeah, that's what it is. Early's road grader. Pretty awesome. There's lots of stuff around here. Sculptures. I don't know if all these were done by the Christensens. Make it around where we can see a little better, but you can see here. That's just a big hook from a crane. There's a hinge, various bolts and nuts. There's a horseshoe, gears. Springs, wrenches, lots of wrenches, lots of tools on here. Pretty cool. Oh, some of the other stuff, there's a zoo and you have to get tickets for it. We're not going to do that. We're just here to kind of check things out, give you kind of a sense of what it is here. Baby rattlers. I'm not going to open it up because who knows what they got. Old barber chair. Coke machine. I think we've been places that are kind of like this before. That is pretty cool though. This is the old, I think oil dispenser is what it was. Bulk oils. Different weights. Cool. Well, let's see if Carol wants to walk through, and either way, we'll probably be on the road next when we join you. So there is a zoo here and another general store on the other side, but just kind of a fun place. Lots of stuff to do here, actually. So feel free to stop sometime. It's worth it. I've stopped a few times. All right.
Well, just a few miles south of Hole in the Rock. Look up here to the left and you can see Wilson Arch. It's a pretty popular place for people to stop and climb up there. Easy access, nice parking down here. run across that road and hope you don't get hit. It's like an obstacle course too. So you might remember. I bet you that's Hatch Point right out there.
Yeah.
We camped at Hatch Point. Gosh, I think it was our first trip that we vlogged. And I don't know if we're going to end up there today or not. She loves it.
Yeah.
We both love it.
Well, we ended up at Hatch Point. And almost immediately it started raining. Oh, for about 10 minutes or so. So I think that's pretty much rain every day. Boy, for the last week or so, probably. At some point, rain. But you can see the camper back there. It's our favorite spot, number 9 up here at Hatch Point. Now there is another campground. It's only 6 miles in on the road. It's the Needles Overlook Road. This one's 24 miles in. But we checked out Wind Whistle, and we didn't really see any sites that were good for getting level. It's a nice campground, lots of spaces. So, you know, we like to be out kind of by ourselves when we're out here. So it ended up, we're by ourselves in a campground. But let me show you the area around here. And always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the morning.